Breaking news. EFF says government of national unit of what? Hey, and men there's no government of national unit next la. We are not part and parcel of anything of that sort. I know. Some of you guys were sleeping. Some of us we waited for Ramaphosa, to say whatever he wanted to say. Okay, he made an announcement and he says, they want to form a government of national unit. Now, EFF had previously suggested that, because this thing of government of national unity has been there, the discussion has been there prior to the elections. Look, EFF were very clear on the matter that we are not Mandela, Tin. It was convenient and it was good for Mandela in his days to have a government of national unity, but now we are not Mandela. Now, when Ramaphosa announced, in fact, look, the issue, the context or this thing of government unity was announced by Ramaphosa when he said this.
That we will invite political parties to form a government of national unity as the best option to move our country forward. The modalities of the government of national unity will take into account the conditions prevailing at this moment in our country's history. The purpose of the government of national unity must be first and foremost to tackle the pressing issues that South Africans want to be addressed. These issues include job creation and the growth of our economy that will be inclusive, the high cost of living, service delivery, crime, and corruption. The NEC has agreed that this moment calls for the broadest unity of the people of South Africa. This moment also calls for multi-party cooperation and multi-stakeholder collaboration if we are to overcome the severe challenges that confront our country. From the results of these elections, it is clear that South Africans expect their leaders to work together to meet their needs.
So EFF political party, they said, whoa, manin, briga, bam. And then, I've been thinking about the way I'm saying it. Sounds silly, but that's not the intention. So the EFF, they are like, no, maybe it was convenient for Mandela to do that. EFF, I'm gonna have to play you the video. Got Julius Malema. I will do it just shortly. Wait for me. Got Julius Malema saying or stating categorically clear that, hey, we are not Mandela here. It was convenient for Mandela then. Fine. But now it's not convenient for us to behave like we are living in the Mandela era where he needed to form the government of national unity. We are for coalition, not government of national unity. Wait, you know what? I am not for government of national unity in this YouTube channel, right? This is what I'm for. If you are not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Come on, good people, because to subscribe it is free, to like the video it is free, to comment in the comment section below it is free of charge, to click the notification bell it is free of charge, to share this video it is free of charge, to watch this video until the end it is free of charge. Also, good people, come on, to watch the ads it's free of charge, and that's how you financially contribute to this YouTube channel. Speaking about financially contribution to the channel, you can become a member of this YouTube channel from as little as 20 Rand a month. You can also use the super thanks button. In case you don't want to do that, guys, there is a way where you can use my media company banking details to donate to the channel, and you know what I'm saying, we'll bring you more, and also guys want to buy more equipment. So the power is in your hands. Please do the honorable thing as we proceed. Okay, look at this. We are not like Mandela. Mandela rejects the ANC's government. Oh, look, sorry. We are not like Mandela. Malema rejects the ANC government of national unit proposal. Right? So I'm going to show you something, but let me read this first. African National Congress proposal of the government of national unity is already being rejected by some political party like Economic Freedom Fighter EFF. On Thursday night, ANC President Ramaphosa invited parties represented in parliament to join the ANC to co-govern the country. The ANC, which has been which has governed the country over 30 years, failed to maintain its local parliamentary majority in the 2024 elections. But EFF leader Julius Malema was quick to announce on social media platforms that EFF will not form part of the ANC government of national unity. In a series of posts on X, Malema said this political party will not share power with the enemy. Oh, you know who's the enemy. And we've been saying, and we're clear on the matter that DA, no. DA is a big no. So Malema tweeted and said, he tweeted on, look, what was the time? It was 12 a.m. Technically, the announcement was made yesterday at around 11. At 12, after the announcement, Malema made this 1 hour after the announcement, if I'm not mistaken. He made this. He posted this tweet and say, "We can't share power with the enemy." The DA, on the other hand, guys, they are preparing. They are preparing to. DA, guys, these people are power hungry. I told you guys, DA is power hungry. In another tweet, he then tweeted. In fact, this is the first tweet because after the announcement, he's not the first, but yeah, this is one of the tweets that he said at 11:41 yesterday. After that, he says the arrogance continued even after South Africans voted, issued warning signs. You can't dictate the way forward as if you won the elections. We are not desperate for anything. Ours is a general mission, right? So EFF, they are saying I anismele kancane nina ngama coalition when now among national government of unity. We are not interested. In one of the video, I don't know whether I should insert this video here. Let me not insert this video. In one of the video, Julius Malema did state that nope, this thing where look, this says nah, man, it was okay. It was convenient for Mandela to do it, but not us. Don't include us in that. We're not Mandela here. Look at us. We are black people. Mina ngithi guys akuvotwe kabusha re-election once, re-voting once. Yeah. And I'm telling you, if we vote anew, we will get a political party. That I can guarantee you. If we re-vote, DA is going to be number 4, if not number 5. They know that. And chances are ANC is going to be number 2 or number 3. And who's going to be number 1 and 2? I think MK and EFF will contest for number 1 and 2 if we are going to revote. And why I'm saying that is because you must read the room. You must look at people's reaction after this, right? You notice that a lot of people are disappointed. So people are most likely to vote these two political parties. These two ones, MK and EFF. People are most likely to vote for these two political parties. And I know, but if you disagree with me, please, anbatshele ukuthi ngithemina just kancane nje ku-revote man, sithi revote. Bese IEC, you remove the leadership, you put a new leadership, right? You put a new leadership, IEC, that is going to monitor the elections, free and fair. And then I'm telling you, look, we'll be out of this problem. Because, I mean, it's going to take time. Say, for instance, the government of national unity, say other political parties doesn't come to the party. So if they don't come to the party, what will happen? What is going to happen if they don't come to the party? Say, for instance, EFF and MK says, okay, You can continue with whatever you are doing. We're just gonna withhold our seats. We're not going to the. We're not going there. And I read where it says that you need 350 out of 400 seats. So if MK alone decide we're not going there, there's no sitting there. So hey, this is gonna be interesting. But as interesting as it is, there's something also that is gonna be interesting is that you are going to click the notification